I was on the way here to the Bellagio earlier this afternoon, and I ran into an old buddy of mine. He was all sweaty and panting. He said, "I just ran a 10K." And I was like, "That's cool, but where on earth did you find content to play on that screen?" Thank you. I was like, will they even get it? So anyway, but seriously, 8K and even 16K sets are on the way. Totally ridiculous. Sorry. And they're really getting quite fat in terms of bandwidth, and nobody wants to compress that beautiful signal. So the problem is these fat signals can induce delays as the video gets switched from source to output in big TV facilities. How can we lessen or even eliminate the lag time in some huge router while we're still using older generation equipment? That's where innovation in cross-point matrix technology comes in. It's powered the industry's adoption of high data rate, high density, low latency, standard def, high def, and 3G switching and routing systems.
A live production environment requires the ability to move uncompressed, real-time audio and video seamlessly and reliably from one place to another. A digital crosspoint switch allows these video signals to be routed from any input port to any output port. This enables live video to be switched throughout a production workflow within nanoseconds. Previously, digital crosspoint switches were limited to a small number of inputs and outputs, say 40 by 40. By scaling the inputs and outputs from tens of ports to now hundreds of ports in a single semiconductor chip, the MACOM Crosspoint has become the heart of today's large-scale production switchers and routers. Our innovation has enabled our customers to build high-performance, scalable systems used in production facilities around the world. For 20 years, we have pioneered the development of the high-density crosspoint switch and look forward to supporting the industry as it moves to 4K and beyond.
As you've gathered, at the vanguard in this effort is MACOM, and accepting the Emmy for them is the Director of Engineering, Win Copps. Win. Thank you, Chris. Congrats.
All right. I'm very honored to receive this prestigious award. On behalf of the MACOM team, I'd like to thank the Academy for recognizing our success in enabling high-density video routing and switching solutions. Actually, I'd like to dedicate this award to the memory of our colleague and friend, Christophe Néron, who sadly passed away 2 years ago, and who was one of the key players in the development of this crosspoint switch family. If I can get this through security, I'll take it on an overseas flight and show it to his wife and daughters. I'm sure they'll be thrilled. So, from the clip, I think you can imagine that this type of integrated circuit pushes the limits of technology, of what can be physically achieved at a given moment in time. So getting the port count to double with each generation, and nowadays getting to almost like 300 channels in a monolithic piece of silicon, where all of these are running at 3 gigabit per second, supporting uncompressed HD format. All of that required breakthrough innovations. Innovations in chip design, package design, board design, heat dissipation, testing, and many other problems. And then, of course, the next step was to try to sell these to our potential customers. So I'd also like to recognize the achievements of our applications engineers and our customers who took these very large cross points and built the very high density video routers and production switchers that are found in mobile and professional studios all over the world today. And for tomorrow, we're all lined up to repeat this feat with the coming of 4K, 8K, or 10K maybe, I don't know, and beyond. So stay tuned. This development is, of course, the work of a whole team. So some of the members are here today, Fernando Gonzalez, Atul Gupta, and Vas Papanikolaou, but most of them are not. So just want to give special thanks to all those that are not here, in particular the Nice, France design team for all the hard work and continued support. Thank you.
Nicely done. Congratulations. Nicely done. Thanks. Wim Kops and Maycom.